Thank you for finding this video. Today we have an iPhone 11 Pro that has the boot loop issue where it won't turn on. It just keeps going through the loop. I found a known issue where if water gets in here in this speaker, that it can cause this to boot loop. I've heard tricks that if you blow air in the speaker, it can make it work, or put a hair dryer on that port, and there's a chance you could fix it that way. But if that doesn't fix it and it's still doing this boot loop, and you've done everything you can to fix it and nothing has worked, I found a way to make the phone work so you can get your information off of it, photos and everything. There's this ribbon right here. It goes to the speaker. That is the most common issue. So this is the iPhone 11 Pro. I unscrewed this metal plate off, and then the ribbon that goes to that speaker, you want to pop it off. And once it's popped off, fingers crossed, it should start working. And look at this. It's not going through the boot loop anymore. Oh, look at that. It's actually turning on. Boom. So now that is how you get out of the boot loop. So now you can unlock your phone, and I'd hook it up to your computer, back it up, or if you have another iPhone, you can transfer everything from it to the new iPhone. And now this phone it still works perfectly, other than you don't have a speaker, and I'm pretty sure Face ID doesn't work anymore.